Here it is. We're doing the surprise box.
Oh my gosh, I can't even cut into it fast enough. Let's see. Don't cut yourself, Amy. Don't cut yourself. I'm not sure I cut through all the way over there. Oh, I have.
Ooh. Oh, there's going to be a piece of cardboard going to cover it up.
No.
Nope.
Hey guys, you ready to do some unboxing with us? I'm so excited. I always love to see what's in the boxes.
Unboxing and some mail call.
Ooh, mail call.
So we do have one box that is a mystery box.
It's a surprise?
Yeah. Don't Google the codes. But the guy that we get our wholesale from sent us a little surprise. So
Super
that's
exciting.
always fun. Yeah.
Yeah. Love Trevor.
And then some mail call.
Mail call.
So what do you want to start with?
The surprise, of course.
You want to go right there.
I do.
Just right out of the gate. That's how we roll with our shows and whatnot. We start with the big things.
I like
You
big things.
You don't want to do suspense?
Not really.
Okay. So we are with Whatnot, eBay, Instagram. But on Whatnot, I'm going to put the link higher up in the description.
Yeah.
So if you click on kind of the description for this video up at the top, there will be a link to where you can get $15 in credit for one of our shows. So if you use that link, download the app, sign up, you get $15 to spend in one of our shows.
Pretty much you get your shipping covered and a car.
Yeah. So free shipping in a car. All you have to do is download that app, come hang out with us. Amy runs, for the most part, Monday through Friday.
9 a.m. to noon.
9 a.m. to noon, and then we do some Friday evening shows.
Sometimes Saturday morning.
Yeah, we're all over the place.
Except for Monday through Friday morning. That's pretty set.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here it is. We're doing the surprise box.
You know why? Because I can't stand it. That's who I am. I'm sorry. I love surprises.
Yep, let's do it. Let's see what it is.
Oh my gosh, I can't even cut into it fast enough. Let's see. Don't cut yourself, Amy. Don't cut yourself. I'm not sure I cut through all the way over there.
Here we go.
Oh
The
my
suspense.
gosh. I can't wait. Oh, I have.
Ooh. Oh, there's going to be a piece of cardboard going to cover it up.
No.
Nope. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. It's a solid.
It's a solid. Pull that baby out.
I just pulled out a gazillion. Oh my gosh. Look at that Ferrari F50 Timeless Icons.
Nice.
How many did I pull out at one time?
Yeah,
I got way
handful.
excited. Oh my
handful.
gosh. Look at them.
That is sweet.
I just want to push it back. Look at that. A whole case of
Yep.
Ferrari F50s.
That is
Just for
sweet.
us. That was the best surprise ever. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
You know what we have to do now?
What? Crack one.
Crack one.
Wait, let's make sure there's not a bad card.
All right, pull them all out.
Okay. Good card. Good card. Good card. Good card. What I mean, like, this is amazing. How often does this happen? David, I think they're all good cards. Guess what? You know what that means? We just crack one.
Yep. All right, let's crack one.
Let's crack it.
Set her free.
Oh, my goodness.
Wow.
Oh, look at it.
Look at the headlights.
The headlights look like eyeballs. Can we get in without zoop? Oh my gosh. And it has spotlights. David, how can I get it not to? Spotlight.
Let me hold that thing.
You want to hold her? All right,
Yep.
you touch her.
Let's do team transport.
Moving on. All right, who's excited? Me. David always knows what's in them, but I don't. So I guess you could say all these boxes are surprises to me, but David knows. All right, we gotta close that. Don't want to cut myself. So, what is in there?
All right, let's pull them out.
Oh my goodness. I'm gonna pull them out and I'm gonna set them here and then we're gonna look at them because it'll be much easier for me. Oh wow, a Ford Capri.
Oh, look at that Ford tampos on there. Wow.
I know, but it's got the hips. Like I like, I like that. That is so sweet. Let's look at the front. Ooh. Oh my gosh, I shouldn't have looked at the back. Now I know what's in there. Look at this 61 Impala.
That's one of my favorite transports. Yeah.
I love the transports when it has the old. Yes, I do. I do. Super cool. I had
And then, boom.
The Supra. Oh my gosh. I love the tampos. Look how sick that is.
Nash is going to love the Supra. That's the car he uses drifting on his game.
Maybe we should put one in his Christmas gift. Okay, guys.
Get 2 of those.
So we get 2 of these, and we have 2 boxes, so that means we have 4 Supras, 2 Impalas, and 2 Fords, right?
Yep.
So that is a nice little woohoo. All right, next box is up. It is HNW46. Here we go. I really liked those team transports. Those were really sick. They did good. It'll be interesting to see what everybody thinks. All right, guys, you ready? Just see how I opened her up real wide. I don't know what it is. David always knows. I don't.
I do.
Oh, it's Fast and Furious. It's the 25th anniversary. So we have the Toyota FJ Cruiser. Ooh, the McLaren.
One.
Oh, that's how they get us. That Mitsubishi, that green on it is like super color.
That's the 1 per case.
1 per case. How many cases of these do we get?
We got 3 cases.
3 cases, so we have 3. Every day I have people come in and say, on Whatnot, say, hey, do you have the Mitsubishi Eclipse? Look at the wheels on it. The Mercedes-Benz SEL. Nice looking Mercedes. Oh, the Mustangs. You know I like that boss. I like a nice boss.
And I like how they do the 25th anniversary.
Oh, I do like that on the card.
Yep.
It does look really nice. We're going to try not to laugh through this. Mail call, guys. All right, you're ready? I'm sure I know exactly what it is. David is collecting the Day of the Dead little black pickup truck. And we have some people out there who are helping us get them. So I'm thinking that's what this is.
And one of our mail call is going to be pretty special.
Yes.
We'll leave that till last.
Woo! Look at this fanciness.
Wow.
Look at that.
Little.
This is fresh, clean bubble wrap. Ooh, look at that. All taped. Oh my gosh, they taped the blisters.
Nice.
Thank you, thank you, thank you for taping the blisters. Eli, we appreciate you taking the time and packing it so nicely.
Wow.
So if you're looking for somebody else to buy from on Whatnot, Wicked Eli, look how well he packs. You ready for the truck? This is it. This is what David's collecting. We are going to turn it into a 2X Gen truck. You just wait and see. Next up, let's see, is it more?
Could it be more trucks?
This is another one of our friends who's a seller. D. Edward. Danny. Dan, whatever I feel like calling him that day. You know me with knives. Ooh.
There we go.
He found us 3 little trucks.
Awesome.
I love these little trucks.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for sending them and getting them here. We love them.
Look at them, sweeter. How can you not love these things?
I know. Just wait until you see this next box.
Okay.
Up next. Oh, this box is different. Okay.
This one is from our buddy, WW Replica.
WW Replica, the first.
Jeff George.
Yep.
He is a customizer.
An amazing customizer. So the first convention we went to, he gifted us with some amazing customs. And since then, he has done some slides for us.
Yeah, 2X Gen custom cars. I may grab a couple and just show you what he did. So he is helping us out with our project.
Yes.
So let's see what all we got.
I was opening the container off. This is not for us either. Oh, it is.
Uh-oh.
What?
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, guys. Look Oh my gosh.
Look at that paint.
That is freaking so sick.
I won't tell you his secret on that paint. You'll never believe it. But that is, you won't see other customizers with that paint.
No. Gosh, Jeff,
Look
if
at
you're
that,
listening,
look at the wing.
this is just absolutely amazing. Look at the little 2X right there. Oh my gosh. 2X Gen there. What's it say right there? I can't read it, but I'm sure it says something.
Oh, yeah, he puts so much detail.
And look, I'm sure it says something there, which I
Yes.
cannot read. We need, and there. Okay. And then it says whatnot. And where else did we have something, David?
On the license plate.
On the license.
Or below the license plate.
Right there. It says 2X
X
Gen.
performance. No, 2X performance.
2X performance. Pretty sweet.
That is the level of detail that Jeff does is, you know, if you really zoom in, there's all kinds of little hidden Easter eggs.
But look at that paint. Oh my gosh. WW Replicas, guys. Jeff, George. Love him.
That's the great thing is the more you look at it,
The
the more things you see.
I know. Oh my gosh. And the wheels. He knows I love wheels. Okay.
So the beauty of this custom is when you look at the original car, Jeff has mimicked a lot of the tampos, but did it customized for 2X Gen. So instead of the Liberty Walk on the side, it's 2X Gen. But even that, he did 2X instead of 5. And then when you look at the
Yeah, it's
hood,
amazing.
yeah, that scoop, 2X Gen. So the amount of detail that he does on these is just amazing.
Can you imagine being inside his brain?
Yeah, but it is that car turned into a 2X Gen custom paint job. Awesome.
Amazing. It's just, words just can't even.
Sure he doesn't. Jeff likes to do surprises.
He does surprises. All right.
Maybe.
Oh, these are not for us. Did he say those are for? He told me who they're for. Slides. Just talking about
slides.
some of the slides he does. I mean, 2X Gen, Squirrel. It's a family affair. Oh, there's my name. Just little me. You never know what he's gonna have. Okay, are y'all ready? Oh, David.
Nice.
2X Gen.
So he grabbed some of the other Day of the Dead castings and put our logo. That's our
Alternate logo right there. 2X Gen.
nice.
Super sweet. Okay.
It's in the collection.
You know where I got that bubble wrap from? Okay, look at that orange. Okay, I'm
Right.
not even showing it to you yet because I'm so excited about the orange. Hold on, I gotta get it out.
So these are going to be our chases. So when we do our custom card art, then we're going to have special cards, and there's going to be these. Look at that on the tail light, tailgate.
That's sweet.
Our 2X Gen logo. So these will be chases. There are 5 different colors.
I think there's 5 different colors, which, ooh, another one of the little Impalas.
Nice.
And, what color is this? What is this? Black. Black on black. Look at that. It
Wow.
is just blacked out beauty. Gosh, Jeff, you always blow me away. You're amazing. And he packs like a beast. Ooh, did you see that color? You saw it, right? Ooh, bright
Wow.
blue. Nothing like a little blue. Look at that. I love that the...
Oh, look at the grill.
Oh, gosh. That blue. So I think, like David said, there's 5 different colors. The card art will match them, and they will be the chases. We just got to get on it. He knows I love orange. The interior's even orange, David.
Yeah, it's amazing.
I see gold. Gold. I love mail call days. Look at that. Jeff, Jeff, Jeff. Okay, what's the next one? Another. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Ooh, purple.
It's little belly's pink. Look at that pink.
Wow.
Look, she got pink belly. Gosh, Jeff. Thank you, Jeff. WW Replicas. Love you. Well, there's the lineup of the 5 chases. What do you think? Love the color choices. The gold, the pink, the blue, the orange, and the black on black, plus our beautiful skyline.
Jeff, you outdid yourself.
Oh my gosh.
Look at that.
So excited.
And then this baby.
Jeff, time and time again, you blow me away.
He is amazing.
I know. I love him.
Let's pull out a couple other of his customs.
Okay, so we went and pulled some stuff out of our cases. So this is one of the first ones that he made for David that we got at the Nationals. One of his friends brought it to us, right?
He knew I was a Cincinnati Reds fan and a Joey Votto fan.
And I don't know if you can see, but it says Bainan. I think it says Bainan, right? Cincinnati Reds.
Awesome.
He's amazing. Look at that. David and Amy, it says on the door, to Exchange Collectors. It's a family affair.
He knew I was a van guy.
But look at the detail inside the van. Do you see the seatbelts?
He painted the seatbelts.
I mean, it goes above and beyond. Okay, he did that one.
If you know, you know.
If you know, you know on this one, but can I crack it? See the squirrel? That's me. Oh my gosh, those were some fun times. Jeff, you're amazing. He even did one with my girls on it, Lucy and Lexi. Amy Doodles, Fort Worth, Texas. I mean, he knows where I'm from, and it's orange.
He just makes them so personal.
He does, and he knew I love combis, so of course, he did that sweet little combi.
And what's amazing is it wasn't like we asked him to do these.
No.
He just learned things we liked, and he just gifted us with these customs.
Yeah, this is one that I got at the convention.
Yep.
But
It's amazing.
absolutely amazing, Jeff.
So, love you, Jeff.
We love you. We appreciate all of it. It's amazing.
Yep, sweet.
All right, guys, that was a little unboxing. It was so much fun. You know how much fun I love seeing what's in boxes. Love surprises. And best surprise of the day came from Jeff.
Skyline.
Gosh, it is just, oh, I love it. Thank you so much again for everybody who's been watching us, supporting us. Don't forget, if you haven't already, please subscribe, share, like, leave comments. We love to see your comments. David even replies to pretty much everybody. Not me. That's his job. So, but thank you again, and we will see you real soon. Bye, guys.